Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to buy Altura with the lowest fees possible. Okay, so Altura is a smart NFT project. So we all know NFTs and we know the art and collectibles, but with smart NFTs, you get to integrate it with games and as well as art. For example, we all know how games are. You get to level up and stuff change and they evolve. All right, so how you can do that with NFTs is by using this project, which is Altura project. Okay, we're using smart NFTs. All right, so it has a lot of potential and a lot of people are recommending it. All right, so this video is about how to buy it. Please do your own research and check every possible thing about any coin that you want to get into. Okay, always type in the name of the coin plus pros and check what people are saying about it, and then check again with the name of the coin that you want to get in plus cons and see the other perspective, okay, to get the full perspective of any project you want to get into. Okay, so now let's go to markets, and as you can see, there are here decentralized exchanges and Gate. All right, so Gate.io is a centralized exchange like Binance and KuCoin, which has the lowest fees. So this is the one that we'll be using, is Gate.io. If you don't have an account, you'll find the link in the description if you want to use it and create an account. It's pretty simple and easy, and as you can see, it's pretty similar to the other platforms. After you've created your account, go to wallet and deposit, and then go to here and type in the name of the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit and select it, and then choose what chain or network that you want to use. Just make sure to use the same network on the other platform that you are withdrawing from. Okay, so after you've got your assets on your account or the wallet, go to trade and spot trading. Now we are here. So if you have deposited any other asset in here other than USDT, go and type in the name of that crypto that you've deposited. For example, let's say ADA, and choose the name of the crypto you've deposited with USDT. Okay, then scroll down here and sell that cryptocurrency. Okay, so for example, here you'll see the balance that you have on your account of that crypto that you've deposited. Click on it and it will get filled in here automatically, or choose if you want just to sell 50% of the amount that you've got and click sell. All right, now that you've got USDT, let's head back to here and type in the name of Altura, and here it is. Choose this here and USDT, because now we've got USDT, of course. Now scroll down and here you can see where you can buy. Okay, so as I told you before, this is your balance. Now we've got USDT. If you clicked on it, it will automatically get filled in here, and this is how much you'll be getting with the current price of Altura. Okay, and this one here is for the amount that you want to use of your balance, if 50% or 100% or whatever amount that you want. Okay, so here is if you want to bargain, if you want to buy with the lower price, just click one of these prices and it will automatically get into here, and you can choose whatever you want, or if you want to sell, you will do the same. Okay, and this is the current market price, same shown on the graph here. Okay, and click buy, and then it will go through, and that's it. All right, this is how you get to buy Altura with the lowest fees possible. And please, if you like this explanation, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.